come to the subtraction. We are going to do subtraction of number bases in the same manner we do in base 10, but it's different because this time around we are not dealing with tens, but different sets. We have sets of 5, sets of 8, and sets of 2. So how do we do it? So let's have a topic here, which is a subtopic, subtraction. So we can craft a sentence to say find the solutions to these. Let's have the questions. Question 1, 1, 0, base 2. Take away 1, base 2. 2, 1, 0, 0, base 2, have 1, 0, base 2, and 3, 2, 4, 4, base 5, we take away 1, 3, base 5, and 4, 3, 1, 1, base 5, take away 4, 0, base 5, and the last one, which is 5, it's a base 8 number, 5, 2, 7, 5, 2, 7, base 8, and take away 4, 5, base 8. So these are questions. You leave them the way they are, then you go to solutions where you do the working out. So you write your 8 solutions. You get the first one, which is 1, 0, base 2. Take away 1, base 2. Then the second one, 1, 0, 0, base 2. Take away 1, 0, base 2. Let's first work out these two. So we say 0 take away 1. This 0 is less than 1. So what do? We get this 1. Please be mindful, don't say borrow. You don't borrow because when you borrow, you retain. But this time when you get from this one, you don't retain it back. So we don't say you borrow, you get a 1. So you get a 1 and here you remain with nothing. Now, this one you have gotten, since we are dealing with base 2, this one is a 2. And therefore, this 2 added to a 0, it will give you a 2 still. So we have a 2 there and not a 0. Then we can do the subtraction. 2 take away 1 gives you 1. Here, there is nothing. So nothing take away nothing gives you 1. We can't write 0, 1. It still means the same. So our final solution here is 1 base 2. We come to this one. The same. 0 take away 0 gives you a 0, which is there in base 2. Then here again, 0 take away 1. This one is bigger than this 0. So what do? We do the same. We go to the next one, which is here. We get a 1 from this one. We remain with nothing. That one, please be mindful. It is a 2. We are dealing with base 2. So that 2, when you add it to this 0, gives you a 2. And therefore, 2 take away 1 gives you 1. And this is your final answer. This is how you subtract in base 2. Let's go to the other one, which is number 3. It says 2, 4, 4 base 5, take away 1, 3 base 5. Okay, let's do the subtraction. 4 take away 3 gives you 1. Do we have 1 in base 5? Yes, so we just write 1. 4 take away 1 is 3. So we just write out 3. And here 2 take away nothing is 2. So this gives you your answer as 2, 3, 1 base 5. Let's go to the next one. Still in base 5. 3, 1, 1 base 5. Take away 4, 0 base 5. 0 take away from 1, it will give you 1. 1 take away 4. This 4 is bigger than this one. We say if the 1 is less, we get a 1 from this 3. We remain with a 2. Now, this 1 we have gotten from the 3 is not a 2 as it were in base 2, but it is a 5 because we are in base 5. So this one, you add it to the 1 which is the 5, we add it to the 1 which is here, it gives you a 6. So 5 plus 1, so we no longer have this one, we have 5 plus 1, which gives you a 6. So now, you can now subtract 4 from this 6. We say 6 take away 4 gives you a 2. And then 2 take away nothing gives you another 2 there. And your answer is 2, 1, 1 base 5. We come to the last one, which is a base 8 number. Please pay attention. This one says 5, 2, 7, base 8. We take away 4, 5. 4, 5 base 8. Again, we do the subtraction as usual. 7 take away 5 gives you a 2. 2 take away 4, the 2 is less. So what do? We get a 1 from this one, the 5. This one we are getting is an 8. So here we remain with a 4. Then this 80, we add it to the 2, which failed to give something to 4. So here we no longer have this 2, we have 8 plus 2, which gives you a 10. And then you can now subtract 10, take away 4, give you a 6. And then 4 take away nothing, gives you a 4. And therefore, the answer here again is 4, 6, 2 base 8. So what is important to remember here is knowing the base in which you are working. If you are working in base 2 and you are subtracting, the number that you get, in case you have a number which you are subtracting from and that number is less, so the digit is less, you're getting from another digit. If it's a 3-digit number, you get from the second one. Remember the base in which you are working. The one that you get from that number is not a 1 but a 2 if you are working in base 2. If you are working in base 3, it is a 3. Though we have just sampled 3 bases. But having learned the concept behind this, you can do base 3, you can do base 6, which you have not actually shown here, in the same way. The most important thing here is to know the concept which is behind what you are doing. So if you have seen the way we have done the subtractions here, I'm sure you will also do the subtraction on your own, because I have a little exercise for you. So please be ready for that one. It will come and do the working out nicely and ensuring that you remember the base in which you are working, and then definitely you get the correct answers.